Hi guys, welcome to the John's Kitchen. My name is Erica. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we're gonna be making the most amazing chocolate chip muffins you have ever had. If you are into good food and want to learn amazing new recipes, start now by subscribing and click the bell notification in order to know every time that we release a new video. Grab yourself a medium to large size bowl, then sift in your flour, baking powder and baking soda to remove any lumps. Add your sugar and part of the chocolate chips, mix and keep aside. The leftover of the chocolate chips is to sprinkle over the top of your muffins before baking. In another bowl, add all your wet ingredients, including the eggs, and mix well with a whisk. Add your wet ingredients into the bowl with your dry ingredients and use a spatula to mix together. Don't mix for too long, as it will prevent the muffins to become soft and fluffy. To speed up the process, transfer your mixture into a large piping bag and fill the muffin cups, leaving a bit of space from the edge for the muffins to rise. Sprinkle the remaining chocolate chips on the top of your muffins and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification in order to know every time we drop a new video. Ciao ciao!